So what's up, guys? Today we're going to review the Hummingbird Robotics Kit. So we do these videos, typically what we'll do is we'll show you a product hype video. We're not going to show you that with Hummingbird because what I want you to do is go on YouTube and search Hummingbird, and you can see all kinds of example projects that people have done, and it'll give you a better idea. And some of those project videos go kind of long, so I don't want to include them in this. But what Hummingbird does is it gives you the pieces to make a robot with movement and lights, basically out of cardboard and paper and any of those kind of crafty supplies you have around. And it's a great kit for tinkerers because there's so much you can do with it. There's unlimited creativity here. You can take the sensors and the lights and you can make all kinds of things with it. And the biggest thing, one of the coolest things, is it gives you sensors to make the robot actually react. So there's like a light sensor. When the light turns on, it reacts. And as you go through it, you would think that the software here would be kind of difficult, but really their base software Create Lab is really easy, simple drag and drop coding to kind of program this robot out. It also works with Scratch and Snap. One of the nice things too with it is that as you do this, you're really learning Arduino because it's built off an Arduino board. As far as kind of entry point for folks, this is not the easiest entry point for folks because you do have to actually plug the wires into the board. You do have to code a little bit. So there are some things here where this is not the easiest entry project for folks. You really need more than an hour to get kids started on this. I think you can go low grade levels here. You can go probably as low as second grade, but with a lot of help and a lot of encouragement and a lot of this and of examples beforehand. This is not one you can just put like a kindergarten on and they go, which that's a good thing though, because you want this to be something for some of the older kids as well. Now the cost is $159 for a base kit. The base kit gives you basically one board and a few of the components. Now when you look at the cost though, the cost is really not that expensive when you consider all of the electronic components that come within the kit. So my overall view of Hummingbird Robotics, this is one of the kits that I love. I think it's a great kit for a makerspace because there's so much you can do with it. Once kids learn how to do this, their creativity and the things that you can make move and the things you can add lights to and the things you can do with Hummingbird is pretty unlimited. And the other thing I really like about them is they really have the right mindset for education. They really want to help. They really want to go and have kids do computer science and do robotics. They're not just in it for the money and the business side of it, which I think is great. Their founder, his name's Tom, he is a wonderful guy.